Just sprinkle it on
So
there.
beautiful, the colors.
I know, it's like a fiesta.
It's like a comfort food, huh?
Yeah. Really good in the winter.
Sabaydi.
Chumdip so.
I'm Harris Pianavong, and this is my cousin-in-law, Lena Hall.
Hi.
And today, can you tell them what we're making?
So today we're making Salaw Machu Kroeung. So here we have about 1.5 pound of pork spare ribs, tomatoes optional, Thai eggplant about 4 quarters, a variety of peppers, bell pepper, red bell pepper, and green jalapenos, hot basil, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of tamarind powder, a 1/4 cup of chicken bouillon powder, and 3 tablespoons of Kreung.
Okay, and where can you find this at?
This one I made it myself. So
Okay.
it consists of lemongrass, garlic, galanga, turmeric, chili peppers, and rhizome. We're gonna also be adding about 2 tablespoons of this here, 2.5 tablespoons of fermented fish paste.
Okay, how do they call that?
This is called prahok.
Alright.
So when you add the meat, change the heat to high, and then let it brown and cover. Two tablespoons of fish stock, and then this is roughly enough to cover the meat.
Just add enough water just to cover it, right?
Yeah.
You want to
Maybe-
move freely?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's good. I should add all of it. So 2 bowls.
So you can use as much as you want. It's
Yeah.
based on preference, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
What other kind of meats that you can use? Anything?
You can use chicken, pork, or beef, or even tripe.
Nice.
Oh, and I lowered the heat to medium-high.
Okay, because now that the bone is
Yeah.
tender now.
Yeah.
What would you say, like 15 minutes when
Just
to make
about.
it tender? And the lid was on.
Off the heat, and we're gonna add the tomatoes because they tend to wilt fast when it's on high
Yeah.
heat. The tomato, and then the last thing we add is the hot basil or holy basil. In Cambodian, we call it Machu Kroeung. Just sprinkle it on
So
there.
beautiful, the colors.
I know, it's like a fiesta.
It's like a comfort food, huh?
Yeah. Really good in the winter. And then you can let
Can
it
people
sit.
make it with fish?
Yeah, you can make it with fish. Anything, pretty much.
I mean, like the tamarind.
Yeah.
How many minutes now?
We just let it sit.
Nice.
Yeah.
And then it's ready?
Mhm.
Yay! Thank you.
Just let it sit for maybe 5-10
Thank you,
minutes.
Lina.